Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses have been a signature of wearable tech with its style and everyday functionality. But Amazon has its eyes set on shaking up the market with a new challenger. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. An advanced consumer-focused AR device, codenamed as Jayhawk, is rumored to hit the market by late 2026 or early 2027 with a price tag of $800. This isn't just another Echo frame. Jayhawk is Amazon's shoot for the moon moment in AR wearables. It'll feature a monocular full-color display paired with a camera, speaker, and microphone, all backed by our old bestie, Alexa. Now, all the notifications and media updates will be flashing right before your eyes. But that's just one side of the story. Amazon is also developing Amelia, a version of the glasses designed specifically for logistics and delivery. This version, expected to debut in mid-2026, will assist drivers with navigation and package sorting. Honestly, that's really cool. With these two versions, Amazon's targeting both lifestyle and workforce use, a move that no other tech giant has pulled off yet. Still, they have a long way to go. Meta's Ray-Ban glasses are currently it, thanks to style, branding, and affordability. Jayhawk better be bringing more than just features. We're talking about design, AI magic, and partnerships that blend tech with fashion. If Amazon can deliver AI-driven features like live translation, smart notifications, and context-aware assistance, all in a sleek, comfortable design, Jayhawk has all the chances to dethrone Meta. In this war of smart glasses, Jayhawk might be the wildest of wildcard entries yet. So, which side are you picking? Tell us in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.